this is Katie at HP Risk. In this video, we will cover when a REDi analysis is necessary, each of the input values required for a REDi analysis through SP3, and the results. A REDi analysis is triggered when the REDi repair or downtime are selected from the other analysis options, or when the functional recovery component of a USRC analysis is selected. We notice that when either analysis is selected, the REDi tab appears at the top navigation bar. REDi downtime is broken down into direct repair time and impeding factors that must be dealt with before repairs may begin. The method also differentiates between three recovery levels: reoccupancy, functional recovery, and full recovery. Reoccupancy may be achieved when it is safe to take shelter in the building, though things like lighting and AC may still be unavailable. Functional recovery is achieved when the building is occupiable and can support normal function. This means that HVAC and water distribution are operable, but some things, like cosmetic damage, have yet to be addressed. Finally, full recovery is obtained when the building has been repaired to its pre-earthquake state. For more information on the REDi method, please see the REDi rating system document. Moving to the inputs that are required to perform a REDi analysis, the repair times for damaged components at each realization are collected automatically by SP3. The user is only required to input the impeding factors that affect the building recovery and the workers provided to perform repairs. First, we address the impeding factors. We see that we must consider the time for post-earthquake inspection, financing of repairs, permitting, engineering mobilizations, review or redesign, contractor mobilization, and utility repairs. These impeding factors are represented as distributions based on decisions by the designer and building owner. The distributions are referred to as impeding curves. The correct impeding curve is selected based on the answers to the questions in the downtime impeding factors section. For example, keeping a contractor on retainer minimizes the impeding time for contractor mobilization. The impeding curves and the sequence in which impeding factors are combined to obtain total impeding time are defaults suggested by the REDi methodology. Finally, worker allocations must be defined. Again, the default values reflect those suggested in the REDi methodology. Repairs are considered per sequence, including structural repairs, internal, external, mechanical, electrical, elevator, and stair repairs. Workers are assigned for structural, interior, and exterior repairs based on building square footage. The mechanical, electrical, elevator, and stair repairs are based on the average number of damaged components per sequence. Further, the maximum number of workers per sequence is based on the building height, assuming that a different number of teams would be brought in for low, medium, and high-rise buildings. The maximum total number of workers in the building is based on the total building square footage. The structural repairs are limited only by the total number of workers allowed in the building because it is assumed that all the structural repairs must be completed before any other repairs may commence. SP3 provides the option to define a minimum worker allocation cap. This is useful when examining low-rise buildings with large footprints. The maximum worker allocations per sequence are increased to allow a minimum of 0.001 workers per square foot. This option assumes that more repair crews would be supplied for low-rise buildings with large footprints than the average number of crews supplied for low-rise buildings in general. Finally, let us examine the results we obtain using a REDi analysis. We enter the Repair Time tab of the Output Results page. The REDi repair times are provided in table and graphical format alongside the 58 repair times. REDi repair time is provided for each recovery level and intensity level that we choose to examine. We note here that the P58 parallel and serial recovery times tend to bookend the REDi repair times. We can then scroll down to the downtime results. The impeding factors provided in the REDi methodology are estimated for a 10% in 50-year event. Thus, the total downtime is only provided for the 10% in 50-year hazard level. Both the repair times and the total downtimes are presented as mean and median values. In this video, we have reviewed the process of performing a REDi analysis using SP3 and the results we obtain. Thank you for spending your time with me on this video.